see about the order by clause in the SQL Server. So order by clause is used to sort the table data based on one or more columns. Using order by, we can sort either in ascending order or in descending order, and default order is ascending. So let's see the syntax of order by clause. So we have to use this syntax: select column from table name, where condition. If you want any pass any where condition, then we can pass before the order by, and after where clause we have to pass order by and column name. If you want that ascending, mention that in ASC, and if you want in descending, then mention as DSC. So let's see the questions one by one. So I have here in my database data analytics tips, I have an employee table. Select start from employee. Here you can see employee ID, employee name, job, salary, join date, and department number. This is my employee table. So let's see the question. I want to arrange employee list and employee name wise ascending order. So let me write order by employee name in ascending order. So let's see how it's work. Here you can see we have used order by clause, and we have to employee name we want in ascending order. So here you can see employee Karen is a C in first, then after that C J K M R S, and last is W. So it's sort in the name in ascending order using our order by clause. If you want same like employee list salary wise in descending order, then how we can solve that? Then we have to select start from employee order by salary descending. So let's see. Here you can see the salary is 1,95,000, 90, 85, and last one is 50. So this is a descending order. We have sort that in employee wise salary in descending order. So let's see the next question. I want to arrange employee list join date wise ascending. So select start from employee order by join date ASC ascending order. Here you can see the join date in 2020, 2021. Then in the last you can see it's 2024. So we have sort ascending order, and the column of join date is ascending order, and we have mentioned star means all the columns. If you want in descending, then you just mention here as a ESC, and the join date is in descending order. Let's see. Here you can see now the 2024 is above now. So next question is, I want to display employees joined in 2020 and arrange that output in salary wise descending. So how we can write this query? Select start from employee where our condition is employee join date is 2020. So how we can write that? Select start from employee where join date like 2020 means here we can use 2020 and just past percentage here. I have already covered the topic of like operator, how we can use that. You can watch my that video in my playlist. So select start from employee here, join date like 2020, and another condition is arrange that output salary wise descending. So how we can write that, then order by salary descending. There is only one record currently in our table, so we take as a 2021 and just see what will be our the result. Here you can see 2021 there are 4 records, and our condition is salary wise in descending. So you can see 95,000 is the descending as a first record, then 75, and then 60 60. So this is our right query. So this is mainly used for if you want some records to like ascending or descending order, then we have to use order by clause. The default order is ascending, and it is used for like sort the table data based on one or more column, and if we can sort either in ascending order or descending order. So thank